Let me show you how to change this water filter. We're going to switch it on my hot water machine, also my ice machine, or anything that has drinking water. So first turn the water off, then we're going to put our date before we install it on the new filter. Here are the instructions if you'd like to take a screenshot. Now I'm going to turn the shutoff off. I'm going to grab the filter with two hands and twist it to the left, and it's going to pop right off. You don't need any of these accessories that came with it. We're going to use the old ones, but you're going to take some of that food grade lube and you're going to put it around both of these O-rings. You don't need that much, just get a little bit around both of those black O-rings. Now take your filter, push it back up in there and twist it to the right. Now that we got that connected, we're going to drain all this old water out of the hot water machine, tilting the machine forward to get the rest out. After we get all the water out, now take some pliers and loosen that water connection up. After you loosen it up, use your hands to take it all the way off. Now go ahead and put it into a separate container, and we're going to flush that for 5 minutes. So after we flush our new filter for 5 minutes, we're going to then reconnect our water connection to the back of our water machine. First hand tighten, after that use your pliers to tighten the rest of the way, but do not over tighten. Then turn that to the on position. Drain 1 more gallon from the machine and then that's it, you're done. For more educational videos, make sure to like and subscribe.